Hello everyone, friends, it's me again, Vyacheslav Ismailov, or just Vaya. And imagine this situation. You and your friend arrive in a brand new car to relax in nature, maybe go camping. You've packed everything you need to relax properly. Everything is ready to start setting up camp here. The spot was chosen, and we began to pitch the tent. And of course, all of this is happening with your best friend by your side. And after that, you definitely need to make a fire to keep warm. Bring everything you need so you're as comfortable outdoors as at home. Set up a grill or a stove to cook delicious meals outdoors, so that everything feels just like it did in childhood, so that you're filled with joy so you can really feel how awesome it is to be on a camping trip. When the campfire is built, food is cooking, and everything comes together perfectly. Sitting by the campfire with your friend, you feel united with nature and everything feels perfect. There's nothing deeper than sleep in nature, so you went to spend the night in a tent. In the morning, an unpleasant surprise awaited you. What? What is it, Sari?
What?
Unbelievable.
What happened?
Yeah, it's the car, look.
So what? It's red and it's cool.
Yeah, so what red and cool? The wheels. The wheels were stolen last night.
And where are the wheels?
From your brand new car, the wheels were taken. Yeah, they stole them. They were stolen. Damn, hold on.
Hold on, wait. How did they steal them? We were just right here.
You were supposed to be the lookout, Alio. You were supposed to watch the fire. It went out. You were supposed to watch the wheels. They're gone.
I thought we were just relaxing.
Yeah, I get it. But how are we supposed to get home now? What are we gonna do? We'll have to leave the car and walk back on foot. It seemed like the vacation was ruined forever, and nothing good was going to happen anymore.
Wait, don't freak out.
Today we're testing a life hack.
I have a life hack. Let's go. I'll show you. Come on.
What kind of life hack?
Now we'll take our chainsaw and go to the fallen trees.
So what we are going to do?
Let's make wheels.
Round. Wheels, yes. Wheels made from logs.
Yes.
I've heard about this life hack with fallen trees. It's a good idea. Today we're going to test a life hack. Can you make wheels out of wooden logs and use them to get out of the forest? All right.
I'm here. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's check it out.
The log is ready.
Damn.
Let's go.
Let's go. Here's a wheel like this. Damn, it's all right. It's lightweight.
Yeah.
We'll make the necessary hole and install it right on the car. I had something. Oh, studs, exactly. We're screwing them in now and we'll put the wheels on them. Yeah, damn, Seryoga, come here. How did you cut these blocks like that? Go saw them again. So, did we manage it?
Sure, let's try it. I'm confident this life hack will work.
Will it move? You think so?
Of course, come on, get in.
All right, let's go.
Hey, check the gas.
You think someone leaked it?
Anything's possible if they stole the wheels too.
Yeah, they had stolen the wheels. Could have stolen the gas too. Hey, the steering wheel is locked.
The steering wheel is locked?
Damn. We replaced the wheels, but the steering is still locked.
Turn it, keep turning it.
How can I turn it when it's stuck in the trees?
No ignition?
No?
What are you nodding for?
Spin it.
Like that, yeah, like that, spin it.
Whoa, it worked. Awesome. Okay, I'm starting it. I'm starting the engine.
Oh, that's good.
There's gas. Everything's fine.
Go ahead.
Ready.
Just slowly, slowly, very slowly.
All right, like that. Whew. Damn.
What's up?
Come on, come on.
Go, go.
Let's go.
Go, go.
It's not moving. Why isn't it moving?
Stop, 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 damn it.
What's going on?
The wheel broke here. You, the one that you made, damn it.
And is it my fault?
Yes, of course. Look, oh, come on, yes. You're the one who sawed and chopped up some crap. What the heck? Damn. Well, looks like the life hack doesn't work.
Yeah, no, we just used the wrong kind of wood. Look, it just cracked. We need to reinforce these wheels and put them back on, and we'll definitely get there. Well, we'll figure something out now. Make them bigger so they're off-road, since we're in the forest, but we put on city wheels.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Let's make off-road wheels, reinforce them, then we'll definitely go.
Come on, let's go.
We chopped, sawed, and attached it here. This way, the clearance will be higher because we made the wheels bigger and we reinforced them with spacers. Really strong ones. It should work. Oh, we won't even have to balance them. Oh, perfect. We're really gonna go. I can feel it. Oh.
Nice.
Wonderful. Absolutely.
I think this will help us get the job done completely.
Definitely. Now we're going to test take 2. Now I'm absolutely confident in this setup. I think everything should work.
Yes, it's starting. Go slow, that's most important.
So it's an automatic transmission. How can I adjust it?
So, easy on the pedal.
Oh, damn. Why is it digging in, geez?
No, come on, just a little bit forward. More.
Push, go push. Nortec isn't working. Oh, it's fine. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Hooray. Yes, it's moving, damn.
It's working.
All right, awesome. Let's go. Cool. Yeah, damn.
Come on, I'm working my ass off here, so we need to transfer this to our front wheel drive.
Come on, right here. Bounce, bounce. Oh, damn. Crap, it's digging in. Let me try going back. Push, push. Yeah, damn. Oh, we need to turn it. Turn it. Come on.
Whoa!
Oh, sorry, because of the rain. It started raining and now we can't get through. But the technology itself works.
I really didn't believe it.
Oh, something broke, right? Ah, the rubber got smeared. Just here where the rubber got smeared. Now Seryoga will clean it and everything will be fine. Go ahead, what does it matter? That's it, let's go.
Come on!
Ah, damn, I need a lower gear. Yeah, lower gear in reverse. Yeah, damn. Forward.
Are you kidding me, or what?
Ah, damn, what? Our tire came off the rim. What are you doing? Yeah, I got it.
No, it's really messed up over there.
Here's the plan. We'll tighten the wheels, do some maintenance, and I won't push it as hard. We'll proceed carefully and definitely make it. I'm sure we tightened all the studs, but this one barely loosened. Here's where the real problem is, because we were only able to install 3 studs here. Because one of the holes there is broken, and that's why this wheel gets loose. It's the weakest link. In short, we raised it a bit, put this underneath to drive out, and used an automatic transmission. There are 2 modes, Sport and Eco. Eco might currently act like a low gear. And I'll turn it on now, and we'll drive carefully and slowly. And here's a cool thing, look, the tread looks like a track, and it actually leaves a mark just like a tank passed by, like from a Caterpillar track. That's really cool. All right, let's do this carefully. I was driving in sport mode, switching to eco now. Okay, let's keep going carefully. Are you ready, Seryoja?
Of course, let's go. Come on. Come on, slowly.
I'm barely pressing the gas. Whoa.
It's fine, go ahead, keep turning. Yeah. We're going, it's fine. Easy, slowly, yes.
Yeah, the main thing is not to speed up now. Oh damn! Ow damn! Ow ow damn! Ah! What the hell? Get stalled, damn it!
Damn, what happened?
Yeah, I don't know. It's not stalling. Ah! Oh, that's it. Basically, we're screwed.
Oh, I told you to drive carefully.
I barely pressed the gas.
I saw how you barely pressed the gas.
What you see on the 3 studs, that was it, and the weak link couldn't handle it. All the other wheels are like this. Well, what can you do? Should we swap? The studs are anyway in the wheels.
Let's put the studs back and install the front drive.
I called my team, hoping we can figure something out. I probably should have called them immediately, but I tried to handle it myself first. Because I think that the life hack itself might actually work. Well, look how far we drove over there. Seryoga has been looking for something since yesterday, hoping to find something. He already finished the rest of his elixir yesterday. Maybe now I can finish the construction so it won't fall out. Because if we look at the other wheels, here it's just perfect. The wheel sits like it's cast, solid, the rear ones too. The whole construction is basically reliable. And I can't say that the life hack doesn't work, because we just have a not quite correct construction specifically with the left front wheel. Would the ground be drier or denser? I think we did it, that's why I called my team of minds. Maybe they can create something more serious and monolithic, so it can go a bit further for us. Because at the moment, I think the life hack is only half working. Well, what now? My specialist team arrived, assessed the situation, and understood it. In the end, we managed to do what?
Nothing. Just like that, because structurally it was supposed to be a working topic, all of it.
В ревно все нормально, но из-за того, что вы ничего не подготовили, ни диск, ни шпильки, ничего, их просто свернуло и все. Теперь они торчат в диске, ничего не сделать. Шпильки, которые вы вкрутили в диске, там и остались кусками, поэтому туда уже ничего не вкрутили.
So what does that mean? You can't ride on logs, the life hack doesn't work?
Like why? It works. You kind of already driven a little, but roughly speaking, you won't be able to fix this in the field at all.
You can come to the garage, fix everything, remove the studs, and replace the wheels with blocks. So, the life hack, as I said, is only half working, meaning you can basically use it, and somehow you can drive on the blocks.
You can...
Well, that's how it turns out, guys. If you want a broader experiment, maybe we'll try wooden wheels, stone wheels, glass, or iron wheels. If you like these car experiments, we'll continue this series. Be sure to like this video, and if we get more than 10,000 likes, we'll definitely keep making these videos. And this was me, Vyacheslav Ismailov, or Via, along with my whole team. Life of Via. Bye bye bye.
Baka, baka, baka.